In honor of Apple becoming the first company in the world to become a $3 trillion company and Tesla going up by 13.5% just today, we're going to talk about the top 5 US companies by market cap, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tip Ranks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. That's right, Apple hit $3 trillion today. Crazy. It's a little shy of that right now, but still up 2.5% during normal trading. Absolutely bonkers. But in this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 US companies by market cap. There is another company in the world. It's a Saudi company, an oil company, that is right around a $2 trillion market cap as well. But we're just going to do the top 5 US companies, and Tesla is on that list as well, up 13.5% today, trading over $1.2 trillion right now. Probably going to hit all-time highs soon. But we're going to talk about Apple in this video. We're going to talk about Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and number 5 on the list is Tesla. But all of these companies are over $1 trillion. A couple of them are over $2 trillion. Absolutely amazing years all of these companies had, except for Amazon. So we're going to talk about that as well, but we're going to talk about them in order of market cap, starting with Apple. And then I want to ask you guys, which one of these 5 companies is your favorite? And do you think they're going to have a good 2022? Or is the regulatory and the Federal Reserve landscape changing so much that this year they probably won't have a good year? I want to hear from you on what you guys think and where you're putting your money in 2022. But let's start with Apple. Right now, market cap $2.98 trillion. At one point, they were above $3 trillion, up 2.49% today. Having a banger of a year, up over the last 1 year period, 38.06%. So fantastic start to the new year. Ticker symbol AAPL is a strong buy based on 26 analyst ratings, with now an average downside of 3.7% over the next 12 months. So what are your thoughts on that? Do you think Apple's going to go down over the next 12 months, or are they going to have another good year? I want to hear your opinion. All right, number 2 on the list is the second largest company in the world, trading right now over $2.5 trillion based on market cap. It is Microsoft. The yin to Apple's yang is ticker symbol MSFT. They had a fantastic year, up almost 56% over the last 1 year period. Trading slightly down today in normal trading, down about 0.5 percentage points, but fantastic year they had. Their cloud computing, their Azure platform is growing tremendously fast. They're taking a ton of market share from AWS, Amazon's cloud platform, and I believe they're going to continue to put a stake in the ground in the cloud computing space, especially with Amazon's AWS troubles over the past several weeks leading up until the new year. So I want to know from you guys, do you think Microsoft is going to have a good next year? Let's get into what the analysts have to say about Microsoft. Strong buy based on 25 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 11% over the next 12 months. Do you agree with that, or do you think Microsoft is going to have a tougher year or a better year? Please let me know what you think. All right, number 3 on the list is the third largest company in the world, trading almost there to that $2 trillion market cap, $1.92 trillion. Google, if you can see here on the chart, Google had a fantastic year. They had the best year of the bunch, up 68% almost on the year. Fantastic year for Google. Let's see what the analysts have to say about Google. Strong buy based on 22 analyst ratings with an average upside of 16% right now for Google. Do you guys agree with this? Do you think Google is going to beat out both Microsoft and Apple next year? Let me know. I think this is most likely the next $2 trillion company, but Amazon could surprise us all because they're really close to Google, which you're about to see here in a second. All right, number 4 on the list is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Had kind of a rough year. They were still up on the year, up 4.64% on the year, but they trailed the S&P 500 a ton because the S&P 500 traded up 27% last year. So I think Amazon is going to have a fantastic year. I don't know if they're going to have the best year of the bunch, but I think they will hit $2 trillion market cap this year. 1.73 trillion right now, almost $2 trillion, really, really close. But as you can see, Amazon has a $3,400 per share price. They could really use a stock split right now. As you know, with options trading, options contract comes with 100 share bundles. So it's prohibitively expensive for people to trade options on Amazon right now. That could be huge, absolutely huge for Amazon. It did wonders for Tesla, and Tesla is back up to that pre-split price. But it would do very well for Amazon this year. I really think they would hit $2 trillion. But if you look at what the analysts have to say about Amazon, they're giving this a strong buy. All 30 ratings are buy ratings, and this has a 21% upside over the next 12 months. I think Amazon is going to have a good year. I think they will get above $2 trillion this year, and I think a stock split could do them really, really well. All right, number 5 on the list is Tesla, having a fantastic day today, coming off of announcing some fantastic deliveries, crushing Wall Street expectations. They delivered almost 1 million vehicles in 2021, and Elon Musk came out and said that they're going to deliver 1.3 million vehicles in 2022, finally getting past some of those supply constraints. But they absolutely crushed expectations, and they dealt with some of these chip shortages and lithium shortages, and there was some fantastic hurdles that they had to cross this year, and they did some fantastic things, trading almost actually after hours right above $1,200 per share again. So I think Tesla is on the verge of hitting all-time highs again. $1.2 trillion market cap for Tesla. They've done all the right things, ramping up production over the past several years, and they're not even at full capacity for some of their factories. Their Berlin factory, their Chinese factory, their factory in Austin. They're going to do some tremendous things in 2022. I believe they'll blow that 1.3 million deliveries out of the water this year. But what do you guys think? Please let me know which one of these companies is your favorite. We talked about Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Tesla. Which one of these companies is going to do the best? Tesla had about a 45% upside over the past year. So I'm banking on Amazon having the best year of the bunch, but I want to hear from you guys. As always, thank you so much for joining me for another video. If you learned something new or found any value in this video at all, please let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.